All right, welcome back. We are going to be looking at level 4 right now, and this is going to be dealing with order. So let's get into it. Order property. Since Flex is a layout system that arranges items in rows and columns, the position of each item can be specified with the order property. The order property sets the item order relative to the other items inside the container. Each item inside the container in the image below has set its own order. All right, so we need to turn ABCD into DBAC. Do this. In the HTML file, give each child item inside the flex order parent a specific class attribute. Give the first, second, so first item, the class attribute item A. Give the second item, the class attribute item B. Give the third item, the class attribute item C. Give the fourth item, the class attribute item D. So that's what we're going to do, A, B, C, D. So we're going to come up here and say class equals item A. And then we're going to do the same thing, class equals item B. All right, class equals item C. And then class equals item D. All right, so check, we've done that. Number 1 is done. Now we get to go have some fun. So in the CSS file, we got to switch files. Add a rule in the CSS file for each of the child items using their class attribute as the selector. Set each item's order using the order property. So set the order of item A to be 3. All right, so here we go. Item A, order 3. All right, and that puts it at the very back. And the reason it's at the very back and not in the third position is because right now all of these are 0. So it's 0, 0, 0, 3. So we need to go fix the other ones. Let's see. So item B is going to be order 2. All right, so now we can see that B is before A. Let's keep going on. Item C is going to be order 4. And last but not least, item D is going to be order 1. All right, if I did that correctly, DBAC, DBAC, perfection, it all worked. So there we go. That's how you do orders. And again, you've got your cheat sheet right here. You also have your help and tips where it has the same thing. And then if you need it, you can always click on the show me how to get started, and it shows you where to go and what to type. All right, we're done with level 4. I will see you on level 5. Make sure to press the orange finish button, and on we go.